Look what just arrived from Studio Calico. Let's open it up. This took forever to get here. Oh my god, it's huge! Holy crap, those are mega. I ordered some washi tapes just to get over the free shipping thresholds. Oh my gosh, cute. I'll get some close-ups. Oh my gosh, cute. So excited. And the main thing are these mega date stamps. Mega time roller. Holy crap, it's gigantic. Wow. Holy buckets. That's intense. Boop. Aww, so cute. It's got the time and a bunch of icons. Oh my gosh, that's hard to turn. AM, PM, arrow, airplane, silverware, heart, star, clock, time 2, AM, PM. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. It's huge. And I got the bundle. So the mega date as well. Holy crap, it's huge. It starts all the way at 2015. It's kind of annoying. And it goes to 2026. Cute. So there's a few years left in it. What the heck, this middle one doesn't turn? No. This one's a little easier to turn. Oh. Let's see, today is March 4th. Let's test it out. Twenty 21. All right, let's try it. Some sleeves on. Today's planner. Will it even fit in the section? No. Okay. Holy crap, it's huge. Oh, that's dope. That's so cool. Okay, that's awesome. Oh my god, that's sweet. Okay, let's try this one. Maybe straighten it out a bit. Oh, not so good. That's all right. That's awesome! How fun. I'm so excited. Those are awesome. Okay, let's do a quick swatch. I just did a washi swatch page. Like yesterday, I got some happy mail and a bunch of new washi tapes, and a cute little card. my aunt. But let's do another washi swatch page and maybe play with the stamps a bit more, because this is so exciting. Okay, these came in a set. Cherries, confetti, stripes, and smiley. Oh my gosh, cute. And I got 2 individual rolls. This is kind of like a paint splatter. And then some leaves. Oh, cute. I'm gonna swatch them. Okay, how cute. I am so pleased with all of this cute stuff that I just picked up from Studio Calico. Mainly these big ass roller stamps. Oh, how fun. Okay, random short little video today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.